Let's check homework. You know you're in homework mode because the ribbon is dark blue. Everyone starts unchecked. Tap a student to toggle between done, partially done, not done, or unknown. The Mark All Done button does just that, except for the absent students, and then you can adjust the few kids who need to be adjusted. When you're finished checking homework, tap End Homework. How simple is that?